Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, opening na ta today. Be part of my small business journey today. Signing in tayo sa ating pagninegosyo ng Marilyn's Chicken Joy. 35 only. Here's the actual photo guys. And I am your chef today. Alright? Ayan na guys, luto na. Still cooking pa dun sa aking kitchen. Ayan. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung ating display. Naka-display na siya no with gravy, sauce, and ketchup sauce. Okay? Let's go. The crispy wings and the crispy legs. Ayan guys, so it's opening na gyud ta today no, October 18. May God bless as always guys. It's early opening. Ang sabi ko nga 7 AM pero naging 6:30 ay nakaluto na ako. So here, this is it and bili na po kayo guys. Yan lang po and thank you.